Good day everyone. Today, we are going to discuss about factoring polynomials with perfect square trinomial. But this time, yung first term natin is greater than 1. Okay? Paano ba natin malalaman kung perfect square trinomial? First one must be trinomial. So, merong first term, may second term, at third term. Pangalawa, the first term and last term are perfect square. Pangatlo, middle term must be twice the square root of the first and last term. Example, 4x squared plus 16x plus 16. So, alamin muna natin if this is a perfect square trinomial or not. So, let's look at the first term and the third term or last term. What we need to do is to get their square root. Square root of 4x squared is 2x. Square root of 16 is 4. After that, check natin yung middle term. 2 times 2x times 4 equals 16x. So, ibig sabihin, same with our middle term. And because of that, trinomials ito. The first term and last term are perfect square. Yung middle term natin, twice the square root of the first and last terms. So, ibig sabihin, this is a perfect square trinomial. Now, let's proceed. Kuhanin natin kanina yung nakuha nating square root na 2x and 4. Tapos, yung original given natin, yung first term and last term, gagawin natin exponential form. So, therefore, yung a natin is equal to 2x and yung b natin is equal to 4. So, ibig sabihin, the factored form is quantity 2x plus 4 times the quantity 2x plus 4 or quantity 2x plus 4 raised to 2. So, yung proseso natin dito, katulad lang din ng ginawa natin noong nakaraan. Okay? Kinukuha natin yung square root ng first term at yung square root ng last term. Tandaan lang natin, no, yung unang part ng proseso natin, inaalam lang natin if yung trinomial natin ay perfect square or not. Okay? Pag perfect square trinomial, magpo-proceed tayo sa solution natin. We can get the factored form. Pero kung hindi siya perfect square trinomial, hindi natin ipoproceed yung solutions natin. Maybe, dahil hindi siya perfect square trinomial, baka ibang klaseng factoring yung kailangan gawin. Or, wala talaga siyang factored form. Okay? Example number 2, we have 9m squared plus 30m plus 25. So, first thing to do, alamin natin kung ito ba ay perfect square trinomial. So, let us find the square root of the first term and the last term. Square root of 9m squared is 3m. Square root of 25 is 5. So, ibig sabihin, yung first term natin is a perfect square. Yung third term natin is also a perfect square. So, let's check the middle term. 2 times 3m times 5. That is equal to 30m. So, pwedeng 2 times 3 times 5 equals 30. Tapos yung m, kokopyahin na lang. Okay? So, since this is same with the middle term, what does it mean? That means this is a perfect square trinomial. So, proceed tayo sa solution natin. So, again, yung first term and last term natin, gagawin nating exponential form. Remember, yung 3m dito, galing yun sa square root ng 9m squared. At yung 5 dito, galing sa square root ng 25. And with that, the value of a is equal to 3m and the value of b is equal to 5. And for the final answer, we have quantity 3m plus 5 times the quantity 3m plus 5 or quantity 3m plus 5 raised to 2. So again, papaalala lang natin ha. The first thing to do is to check if the trinomials are perfect square. So itong first part na to ng solution natin para lang malaman natin kung ang trinomial ba ay perfect square or not. Okay? So, again, ang pinaka-solution ulit natin, ang focus natin ay yung first term at yung last term. Kukuhanin lang natin yung square root ng first term at last term. At yun yung magiging value ng A at value ng B. Okay? Remember, yung magiging answer natin dapat ay square of binomial. So, dyan na natin tatapusin ang video na ito. If ever na meron kayong questions or clarifications, ilagay lang dyan sa ating comment section and sasagutin natin yan. Huwag kalimutan i-click ang like and follow nyo na rin for more videos like this. Okay? So, see you on the next video.